Seriously, that's the best I can do.
Actually, it wasn't bad.
Thank you. Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now. BullionNow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. What day is it?
Today's Monday.
Yeah.
It's Kookaburra release day.
Yay!
So we can start taking orders for the 2022 Kookaburra in the 1 ounce.
Correct.
So you'll see it on our website as of right now. It is for pre-order at the moment. Perth Mint still haven't dispatched our stock out of Perth, but we are expecting it within a week or two. So I'm saying before the end of the month. I'm hoping it'll be here a bit sooner, and as soon as we get a confirmation date of shipping, we will be straight onto YouTube and make you aware of it. But it should be here within the next couple of weeks.
Fantastic. We're just releasing this really quickly this morning, so we get, hey, it's release day. But then later on today, we've got a little bit of a competition completion,
Yeah,
we hope.
That's right.
So I'll put a link above to the Kookaburra challenge so you guys know what the deal was. And I've like got my fingers crossed here, like, come on. I think I'm going to win out, I hope.
Oh, are you?
Yeah,
Okay.
we'll see.
I haven't seen the emails for a couple of days.
Fair
so
enough.
you could be right.
Okay, so what else do they need to know at the moment?
So Kookaburras, only the 1 ounce is available for pre-order. They still haven't announced the 10 or the kilo release dates or order dates or anything along those sort of lines. So we're not taking any orders for those sizes, but we will let you know as soon as they become available. But we suspect very strongly that won't be until late this year or even early into next year before we have information on that.
No worries. Well, I'll put a link to the product. It'll be on pre-order. I'll put that below in the info section of the YouTube page and as part of the pinned comment.
They are limited.
Don't
forget
limited.
that.
Okay.
There's only 500,000 on the mintage, so they won't sell out like instantly, but don't muck around. They'll only be available for a couple of months and then you'll find they'll be all gone.
Fair enough.
They are very popular. They sell out every year.
And that's a worldwide mintage.
It is a worldwide vintage, and most of which, as per normal, goes overseas. So
And pretty much to Germany, really.
a good chunk goes to Germany. There's a few other places getting more and more of a bite overseas, but just bear in mind that even though the mintage is 500,000, I'd be shocked if more than 50,000 of them stay within the country. And I actually think I'm exaggerating at that.
That's a fair point.
Yeah, so jump on them while you can.
All right, no worries. Again, it is release day of the 2022 Kookaburra, specifically in the 1 ounce size today. Get a pre-ordering. Head over to bullionnow.com.au and head over to youtube.com/bullionnow. Now 16,200 subscribers. Hit the big red subscribe button. You get the warm and fuzzy feeling when you do, just like the warm and fuzzy feeling I'll get when I win the competition today. Yeah, it's going to happen.
We'll see.
Yeah. All right, and as always, like, share, subscribe, and that's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.